Hello friends, welcome back to another session of Core Java tutorials. I am Dr. Sudharani, professor in CSE. Today we are going to see bubble sort. Bubble sort is a comparison based sorting algorithm. It works by repeatedly swapping adjacent elements if they are in the wrong order. At the end of pass 1, the largest element is at the correct position. We repeat this process n-1 times. For each and every pass, the largest element will go to its correct position. Think of it like the largest element slowly bubbling up to the end of the list with each pass. So we'll see the code snippet now. So herein we are having two loops, the external loop and the internal loop. The outer loop controls how many passes we make. In bubble sort, we need at most n-1 passes to fully sort an array of n elements. After each and every pass, largest unsorted element bubbles to the end. The inner loop compares adjacent elements. We compare array of j and array of j plus 1 to decide if we need swapping or not. So the largest I elements are already sorted, so we don't need to check them again. So that's why the stopping criteria here is n minus I minus 1. So bubble sort may not be the fastest, but it's the great starting point to learn how sorting works. Once you are comfortable with this, you can explore other fastest algorithms like merge and quicksort. I hope this video is helpful to you. Thank you for watching.